Do you want to embed your Spotify content into your website for free? Embedding Spotify playlist or a specific song in WordPress is really very easy process. Just follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, and now I'm going to create a new post for my Spotify playlist. And giving the post title my Spotify. And now here all you have to need, just go to your Spotify, and first of all let's embed a playlist. So here's I opened a playlist, and I'm going to copying the playlist URL from here and pasting the URL here. And as you can see, the Spotify playlist has been successfully embedded to my WordPress. I'm going to publish this post and let's preview it. As you can see, it's working perfectly. And if you want to embed a song, then for example, I want to embed this song. So I'm clicking on this three dot, share, copy song link, and now I'm going to adding the song link here, and this is how we can embed a Spotify playlist or a song in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.